everyone, welcome to Telugu One Passion. So today I am back with another new video. So what is the topic of the day? So today's topic is hair care. Okay, here I am going to share you few tips how you can make your hair look better, and I would love to share few hair tips for you all. So as you all know, we girls have lengthy hair, right? So it's very difficult to maintain our hair routine and all of that. So I am here to give you few small tips. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is oil. So I think it's basic thing which each and every one of you know. Oil is a basic remedy for all the women's or men's to make your hair look more shinier, or to make it look more moist and healthy. So in these oil, almond and coconut oil are the most healthy ones, is what I feel personally. So they're very natural and makes your hair more smooth and silky, as I said. So the first thing that you have to do to prevent your hair from damage is oiling. So oiling is something which is basic that we all know, whether for men or women, whatever it is. It is a basic thing that we do to keep our hair very healthy and moist and shiny. So one thing that I have seen and experienced from my hair care is that you should always oil for just an hour or two, but not more than that. But with me, if at all I do it for a long time, then I start getting acne and skin problems. So maybe we have to do that for few people. So it depends on how your skin reacts and how not. So this is also a point that you always have to keep in mind. So the second thing that you have to do is obviously wash your hair properly, right? So whenever you use heat appliances like maybe curler or crimper or straightener or maybe hair dryer, any heat product on your hair damages your hair, of course. So you have to shampoo your hair properly, condition your hair properly, and of course use a proper mask, whichever is suitable for your hair. So these keeps your damaged hair soft and smooth. So this is something which you have to follow, and we shouldn't wash our hair very regularly, meaning 2 days once is necessary, but not every day, because it spoils your hair eventually. So now I'll be telling few natural home remedy masks that you can use it. So the first one is hibiscus flowers and hibiscus leaves. So these both you're gonna grind it up together, and maybe you can use any coconut oil with it, and then the mask is done and you just have to apply it on your hair. So this one is the first one. The second one is honey and curd. So this also helps your hair strengthen, or maybe like makes it more shiny. So the other one is egg white and lemon. So you just have to stir it up together and apply it on your hair. So egg white is basically, it makes your hair very smooth. Almost all the conditioners are used of egg white. So just because it makes your hair too smooth. So it's one of the main ingredient that is helpful for your hair. And the last remedy that I know is banana, honey and olive oil. So this is again a really productive mask which works. So it again strengthens and gives more protein to your hair and makes it more shiny and stronger. So this is also one of the masks that I found out. So the next thing that what you have to do to keep your hair healthy is to maintain a proper food diet as well. You guys might be thinking how food can help us, keep our hair more healthy. Maybe it is not so essential, but if you really want to concentrate on your hair routine and all of that, then you should be more dense on this topic and also follow a bit of diet. Not exactly diet, but you'll have to eat few things which I say. So maybe boiled egg and strawberries, avocado, and if curry leaf actually helps a lot, because curry leaf is something which is actually important. It darkens your hair and your hair grows more long, and also your lashes, especially your lashes grow more long, and I have experienced it personally. So yeah, that is one more main ingredient, curry leaf. So yeah, this is the things that you have to eat if you want your hair more strong and nicer. So now I'll be telling you how to prevent hair fall. So me, basically, I use a lot of heat appliances, okay? So even I am going through hair fall and all of that. So first and foremost thing, no much usage of heat appliances. And second thing, actually we're not supposed to, while we are taking shower and all, we're not supposed to put a lot of hot water on the hair, because it damages. Anything too much is too bad. Too cold is bad, and too hot is really bad. So for hair, you're not supposed to use a lot of hot water. And thirdly, we're not supposed to expose our hair in the dust. So whenever we are going out, it's really good and better to tie up our hair instead of free hairs outside in the streets. So that would also help 1% at least to keep your hair much better. And the fourth one is green tea. Okay, green tea is also one of the solutions to not get hair fall. That's the thing what I found in the research. So that is also one point. Easy remedy, and no more stress. If you stress a lot, you're gonna get hair fall. If you don't sleep, if you lack sleep, you're gonna get hair fall. It is actually true, guys. So these are the small things which you can do. And so a fun element that I'm gonna tell you is, which you people will not believe, maybe you people might think it's a comedy or something. Actually, smoking, guys, smoking causes hair fall. This is what I found in my research. Isn't it crazy? So yeah, smoking causes hair fall. So I think quit smoking and gain good hair growth. So this is it for today, guys. So hope you all enjoyed the video, and do subscribe to Telugu One Fashion. So let us all meet again very soon. Bye-bye.